Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model Y center console. Begin by parking the car in gear off and disconnecting the 12V battery to be safe. Remove loose items and set aside screws you remove in a labeled tray. Work slowly around edges to avoid breaking clips. Keep a magnetic tray for fasteners and take photos of each step to ensure correct reassembly. In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model Y center console. Start by gathering the T20 Torx, 10mm socket, plastic pry tools, and a small flashlight. Remove the cup holder insert and center storage cover before accessing hidden screws. Keep a soft cloth on the floor to protect panels and use gentle, even pressure when prying. Photograph each step and store screws in labeled containers for reinstallation. In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model Y center console. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks, so grab a pair of darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while you wrench. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and extra deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model Y center console. First, remove the cup holder insert and pry up the trim to expose Torx screws at the front and back. Unscrew the fasteners and gently slide the console rearward to free tabs. Reach underneath to disconnect any harnesses, noting connector orientation. Lift the console straight up to avoid snagging clips and set it on a padded surface for inspection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.